took my phone, went on YouTube, ngasearch ukuthi datsha kanjani, ngabona, and then when that happened, ngishaye i-account ya Twitter. Decided to do artwork yomuntu oyedwa engibona ukuthi uyatrend at that time. It was uValdo, intwana kaLindo.
Oh, ngiyambona uValdo.
Indwebe bapost ngibatag. When I tag them, they share it blow up. When it blew up, beqhamuka abantu mase befuna uzodetsh, and then I charged 100 rand for artwork. First day I made 2K.
2K.
Give a zero rallies. First event I did, kumula wakugcwala indaba zama VIP kakhulu. I didn't like VIP. Personally, I didn't like VIP. I never understood indaba VIP, which why are you very important?
Vele, why vele?
So I did it. Ngangayifaka VIP, it was packed, and Cooler Box was free. Because I'm not selling any alcohol.
Vele,
so why should we pay to fast forward, I realized it was okay. Give post that for my people. That time I didn't know 70% of your followers are haters. 30% are your fan base.
Your fan base.
So when I post that, man, when I post that, like, you stick to the mood, not to the plan. When I'm sticking to the mood, would say I'm happy that time, and I feel like I should show people that nah. I posted. Some guys who come to the Bekashi like me and tells me.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, sanibonani, it's your boy Kevin Dande, and I'm with Lumgile Zinyanga, and this is the Flu Podcast, motherfuckers. Sorry, no one to our fit. Yabo, yathe bote no enjoy lo fit ama Easters. Yabo, namhlanje I'm not alone here, bafethu, as you all know. Noma bengekho kabanye, Sneda Ghosti, Ncebe yabo, kodwa ke keep it going phela mfethu yabo. Ezinye izinto azimi ngenxa ukuthi abanye abantu abekho mfethu. But then shout out to them bafethu, bebe safe. 12 Castro to no and my co-host Ghost mfethu yazi mfethu yabo. So today I'm with the one and only bafethu. Ngikhathele a special guest sakaphela bafethu, young and upcoming. Angazi noma say upcoming in namanje because he's a household name. He's already known from khona lapha sokhona Richards Bay to eMandeni to Durban. Siyathemba when you are about to upload this uzobuso around South Africa yonke vele. Bafethu sacala shayela izandla bafethu uSlim Andy bafethu. Grand jam.
What's going on?
Kusefethu. Ngiyabonga bafethu sibekezelile bafethu yabo.
Hayi ngimabonga ubala bafethu.
Grand kodwa.
I'm cool, my G.
Thina ngama-camera wakusabenzisa sibabili namhlanje bese studio.
I'm used to cameras, man.
Vele ngihlezi kubona ulive vele bafethu. Ngihlezi kubona ulive bafethu.
It's the level. It's how you work, man. If you work ngama-camera, get used to it.
You get used to it bafethu. Siyabonga bafethu yabo. Siyabonga bafethu for pulling up bafethu yabo. Abantu bafuna ukwazi bafethu ukuthi kahle kahle me personally nami ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani kahle kahle Slim Andy actually.
Real name Andile. Sibongo ngisebenzisa sama waKhumalo. From Empangeni. Right now I'm in Durban. Trying to make a living, trying to get it together, and then I don't know, man. What else do you guys want to know? Klape, school or
like how was it like ukhulele lo Empangeni njengobusho vets, like from your side vets?
From my point of view, yonke into engayizwa ngelokishi kwenzeka yona ngqo. Mara I just thought it was going to be a little bit different because it's a new generation, and everyone is already used to umuntu wenza something on a spotlight nyana yabo. So I thought it was going to be easy, but they told me it's not okay and it's not safe. Somehow at the same time. So for me, ngingasho ukuthi it was kind of hard because uma sinoma ngifika besihlala emqashweni yabo, so I'm used to ukuhlala emqashweni up and down looking ngishintsha indawo from this place to this place. Sagcina sesithola indlu eMhlathozo. So when we moved there, it was fine. Now I'm seeing kuma akasana stress because emqashweni was a lot of
izinto eziningi
vele. So now I'm just like in one place. Engikhula kuyona. And then I started ngithola abangani. Into esenzima ke is when sesiqala soku right and then boom already la mash. I'm in grade 11 that time. I'm like, oh, okay. Now umuntu useyedwa ke manje.
Sekufaka wenze njani ke?
Semele ngibe umjito waselokishini manje ngikasi ngiphile because already wesijwayeza ukuhlala endlini uhambe esikele uphinde ubuye. I've never been used to izinto zaselokishini. So when that happened, I'm like, okay, semele ngibe indoda ngibe umjito. Now I start singaqala ngithola abangani. I'm thinking of indlela ke manje zokuthi ngiphilise mina. Unosisi wami bhuti omdala athola isipani. Yabo iwazini isipani singako resitswepu. If ethola isipani yeah, it was okay. Ethenga ibhathi and all that, but bedinga ne-support at the same time. So I had to think of a plan. Ngiqale ngidwebe like graphics, wasethi mama graphics, those cartoons. Ngishaye wona.
Oh, cool.
No. The ones uthi mhlawumbe uthatha isithombe somuntu, usi-traffic, usenze sibe cartoon.
Oh yeah.
And then I wanted indlela ukuthi how can I make money out of this? And then I was like, okay. Yeah, one of my artists using a lot of art covers before my cartoon and I'm like, okay, people love this actually. I'm an artist. I took my phone, went on YouTube, ngabona, and then when that happened, ngishaye account ya Twitter. Decided to do artwork yomuntu oyedwa. Engimana was trainer at that time. It was Uvaldo. Into nakalindo.
Oh, ngiyambona uValdo.
Ngidwebe ba-post ngiba-tag. When I tag them, they share it blow up. When it blew up, beqhamuka abantu mase befuna uzodetch, and then I charged 100 rand for artwork. First day I made 2K.
2K. So like
didn't go outside, never had friends, just me. We were living in a room because the time only the show and we had to move outside because we have at Basekaya, Basharin, so we were just living about two mind doing Sakela. So too. So it's always just me in clean pants. Day in, day out, and just get boy and get driver. At break time, I couldn't get driver. So I remember my first time was 2K, and I was like, damn. Continued to my Maporisa, and even now, when I see some in the studio side.
Maporisa. Var?
I'm telling you. Because I stayed digitally, and then some guy wanted to tell who's keeper. So the school, his hobbies. I was like, okay. I loved it. I was start when I went to the end. My police were when so we knew. So I was like that. So growing up, I had to learn what's in Gibe.
Independent.
Give me time of me from a young age. And then I think that's just it's a matter.
So like losing your mother at that age, grade 11, but go critical ngalendlela uhlapha ungagcina usufail. Aku affectanga ndawo nje mfethu nasesikoleni.
From the moment where I started, I had to take care of myself. And then when I saw I actually have a gift into the sound and like social media and stuff, I was like, isn't this wasting my time, bro? At the same time, I'm like, I need school food. I'm like, okay, this way bambe, like in Begeze. But to be honest with you, I was always at school and like, yo, whatever you're teaching me right now, it's not gonna help me. And teacher me like me or scared. I was kinda like lo mjitolo or movizongani first.
Nedo.
Not a nerd. Kangumjita nje. Mara, I was living in my own world ukuthi ngaphakathi ngibona ngi-superstar.
Kodwa nganakekile lokho ngaqamile.
Phela that time into eyiblend kakhulu. Ike ngiyiswenka, smoking, what else? Yeah, I'm swanking kakhulu, so I didn't have that much. Yokuswenka nani. I remember igrasshopper ngangiyithengele uma I wore it for like 3 years.
Liyahlala phela futhi ne-grasshopper vele.
So it was just like ngumuntu nje mfethu, but deep inside I was like, once I get out of here, I'm gonna make sure matric siyophela. I was already a superstar, man.
You good people realize it's okay now. I'm getting that recognition that I wanted to feel.
That's when I remember when to move against Gere, Clapper did it all over. Abathanda amathekeni, mhlawumbe mebefika baya nawo yabo. So I was kind of getting popular yabo. Slim. I'm like, bangazela. Yabo. So I was just like ngishaya ithombe to make sure I have outfits on, taking pictures, post them on Facebook. Download my presets so my pictures can just be different from all abantu. Even nesithombe sami ngedwa. So I think it was sekuyophela unyaka ka grade 11. Same year already lishonile but sekuyophela unyaka grade 11. Yeah, that's when it started. Yeah, that's when it started. I was like, okay, there's something going on. And I was just good to get arts, drama. I remember a group. We were always just be in my group, and then when we spend my stories or just come up with my storylines, and the same time, like
same time with
same
that
day. It's when we always went to number 1 or 2. That's the craziest part. Like,
yeah, and yabona ukuthi okay iphethe yami kahle kahle leli kulento le.
And that's how we went popular no Umchita. There's umngane wami high school to Umbeni. Yeah, I think that's when we started popping escape because it was funny. It was very funny that guy.
When you were taking those serious roles and normal you just
I tried taking the funny parts, but people ngabona ukuthi babethanda kakhulu when I'm just being me. Acting like a superstar about my roles. Like that guy, it's a new guy from America.
I
was just like that guy. Yeah, ngikhuluma isingisi but at the same time ubona okay usuke kasi but I think those were the roles, bro.
Yeah. So the stardom started there,
That's when I realized because after that ngathola intombi yami eyokuqala high school. After that the first esasishaya the first nje first we sishaya phambi kwe crowd esikoleni and then Tobazana approach after school. She told me ukuthi hayi ngichaze. I was like okay
there's something like but so like ngikubona ukuthi ku social media more like a person who like to like engage with my friends akho but wena ukubona kubalekile lokho wena as a superstar njengoba Busho.
The thing is, some babiza ngama fans, I don't like that name. I don't even use that word. Babiza ngomndeni because I never really had a family.
Yeah,
like abantu. I feel like ngaze ngasho ukuthi ngikhuliswe bona. And one time I had an interview at Radio. I went emotional ngabatshena ukuthi benga give up mina and make sure ukuthi bahlezi benedatha. Because ngimgaka ngila enkhona that 5 rand uthenga u20 megabytes ukuze lo muntu efike ezo react or like or share into yami. That person uyangikholisa. That's my mother, that's my father, that's my brother.
Yeah.
So I cannot call them my fans.
So awubona lokho as into engasi effect in a way mhlawumbe wena because social media now phela unayo indlela yoku effect umuntu mhlawumbe by comment nje phela ebhedayo negative comment.
I always say angithathi izinto serious. Yabo? So I always say, even if my talk content trendayo ngami ebhedayo, maybe like a nude or isithombe mhlawumbe ngibheda ngibeka bed, I'm gonna just wait for people behleke comment and then give it ntambama. I will share it, ngibhale caption eqaqesayo.
Khona isithombe sengasibona usposted ngathi few weeks back nje bethu esasisiqaqo kodwa wasishare futhi ngathi ayibo.
Yeah, because I don't care like that. I don't really care. Akunandaba. Even if ngingatrenda one of my private yabo mathonje trend private part time. Ngalinda abantu beyenze yonke lento le beyenze bekhulume then ngifike ngishare mase ngithi but yindleke le mpahla.
That khakheneso ithatha up vele ke because abantu bengavele befeel like ish manje ngathi konke wrong abayenzile.
You cannot choose a path ezokufaka ispotlight sabantu and ulindele ukuthi wonke umuntu is gonna like it or ekhulume kahle ngawo. You can have ama followers aw 100k, 70% of those people don't like you.
Vele
There's people that ababukayo abantu abangafuni nabantu bafuna umuntu uzogcina lapha. 30% of your fan base, because you can have 100k followers but still get 5k likes.
Vele that happens, yes.
So you always gotta be prepared. One post can be twisted.
Yeah, against you futhi bayisebenzise
hard. So you gotta always be prepared, be ready, just be you. If leyo nto leyo yenzeka, you know how to clap back,
to react.
Yeah.
Because khona nami lesi sikhathi lesi, like I had a negative comment khona video sengayipost and it had amalo iyona the most successful one I have right now phethebo engangisho nenye nje intombazana. Yo the negative comment leya video leya.
But any clout is clout.
It's clout.
Any clout is, even if there's a guy ongatrenda ngokwenza something mhlawumbe ade yonika umuntu osemgwaqeni ukudla eshaya video, khona bazothi uyabheda, but that guy is gonna get ama views and some people are gonna follow that person for it and uzogaina futhi kuleyo shandiso.
Then
any clout is clout. You can be trending la too with the ebhedayo, but people are gonna follow you khona bavumelana nawe.
Vele phela abayithanda mhlawumbe lento sokuyenza futhi.
That's why ezinye indawo beze bekhetha ukuthi benze izinto mhlawumbe bekhulume kabi ukuze omunye react or abantu bengene lento leyo lie just for that engagement. People abasenahliziyo abantu, humanity is dead.
So ubona ngathi go right ukuthi singaphila kanje, sengifuna ukuzwa ngawe ukuthi ubona go right ukuthi abantu bengaphila ngaleyo ndlela le, because when you say humanity is dead, like what we're living for if singacabangelani thina singabantu.
My mother waye Christmas, New Year, my birthdays or any time mekufika umuntu angaphandle athi vele ngigalekise ngoChristmas. She would buy amakheke ukudla ipheke, but if iqhamuka umuntu angaphandle uzozivashela uzobengele uzomthatha umfake endlini emphayele wonke umuntu uze gcina ukuthi thina sesidla ama leftover.
Kenzeka vele.
Yabo? So that and leyo nto leyo wangikhombisa okay there's a side where uthi leyo nto leyo yayi right, nami ngikhula ngathatha yona ngenza yona. Bengigcwalisa abantu endlini, make sure ukuthi ba right nani, but I just feel like I shouldn't make the same mistakes because ngikwenzile futhi nami I saw ukuthi ngeke ngakwenza kwangishaya because people bayabona ukuthi right uyimpatha
kubona.
So I think ungashintshi ukuthi ukanjani or uba, just change ukuthi uhlala noba.
Yeah, set your boundaries vethabo, because manje abantu bethi mhlawumbe basuke bengayiboni le vision lo sokunani noma basuke bekuzele ngezinye indlela befuna ukucekelela phansi esenze.
It's abanye bafika kahle and then when you see ukuthi you're just a human. Ayibo umuntu lo mfethu.
Sure. Efuna ukwenza into ebhedayo yena.
Hayi ukuthi ufuna ukuyenza. they seeing a gap, bro.
Between you and them.
Bayabona nje hawu. Ulahlile lo mjita la. Ekusakaza.
Fuck. Yeah, I
So
know.
I'm saying mhlawumbe leyo bhadla leyo yokuthi uphile ngendlela ubani user bani ukuze ubani egene. Ish. I think leyo nto leyi right in business kuphela.
Yeah. Not in humanity like.
Yeah. Once the camera is switched off,
we are humans, we continue to be human. I want to ask if it's good to mhlawumbe wena ekwenza ube different from either like ama-event promoters or planners.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
First things first, I portray reality. Give us the reality. First event I did, kumula kwakugcwala indaba zama VIP kakhulu. I didn't like VIP. Personally, I didn't like VIP. I never understood indaba VIP. Why are you very important?
Vele, why vele?
So I did it. Gangayifaka VIP, it was packed, and cooler box was free. Because I'm not selling any alcohol.
Vele,
so why should we pay to Fast forward, I realized it okay. Impahla yami siyakhula, then kufika abantu ke manje abangathandi ukuba sebantwini, and at the same time I have to grow.
Yeah, well, now as a business.
That is when ngenza VIP mhlawumbe ngiyilimit to time.
Around about 20.
So what makes me different ukuthi ke, I make sure into mina ngiyi-affordayo or engibona ukuthi ngiyabuka ukuthi labantu bangakanani and ngikhule ngedwa. I had to make sure ukuthi yonke into ngiyazenzela. Some people bayathanda ukuyogrowth, bayathanda ukuze ama-event ami, but situations at home not okay.
Yeah.
You start there, amathikithi akho prices amancane, uhost endaweni abazokwazi ukufinyelela khona kalula, and then avele so just make it fun, focus on the youth.
Yeah, kubalulekile.
Even if it's igama lakho seliya, because people just bafike bekwenze lokho besebenze nge-youth ngama-locals, but once kwaba right, you see them switching now. It's like
sefuna ukunyuka phela manje.
It's good khona ukuthi ekhule, but bro, what happened now?
What's changed?
Ama-locals
akufanele ngathi umuntu uthi akhule phela. Ukukhula vele brings change, and then you start wanting okunye okungaphezulu.
No, just create another event, bro. You cannot usijwayeze ukuthi thina for example i-explosion singena no-cooler box, ama-locals ayaperforma, local DJs, and then usuyayishintsha usuthi ama-locals awasekho, utshwala sebudayisa ngaphakathi, into kanje usafuna no, just make another event.
Yeah, qinisile,
Just create another one, dog.
Qinisile just for ukuthi abantu bengaconfuseki futhi yabo confuse abantu.
Khona umuntu ongazeki kuyona ufuna ukuya because uthanda indlela abayichaza ngayo event yakho ukuthi kanje, and then usuyamswitchela now. Just create another one. That's why I even came up. I wanted bangitshela ukuthi bro, why ungade isitshwala ngaphakathi? Why are you not doing this and that? And then I was like, okay, explosion is for the youth, it's for the people. Once you done with matric or you just happy ukuthi suqedile, just come
enjoy.
But you're still under your parents, man. So
Yeah.
I don't have to sell you a bottle for 1.2.
Yeah, yabiza futhi.
Leo genge ayibona ukuthi yona isi-brand. I just created because bakhona once you saw high school or varsity, something's changed. Mhlawumbe uthola ispan or now you export to izinto e-right nemadlana. I created the event Diamond Hearts. The concept high is all that. It's just abantu abase okay now we are matured.
Mm.
We need to relax. So I created it. Ukube to omunye umuntu was gonna go back to lama events awaziwayo, change the concept.
That ibuka ke.
Instead,
Manje sefanele uqalele phansi ke manje trying to ukuthi abantu be get used to what you're trying to do.
just create another one.
So lokho wena sekukusizile. You have unama event amangaki manje?
Successful out 2 for now. Ngisho Denim White akayenzi.
Akayenzi.
But I'm feeling it, dog. It's going to be
Denim White.
Denim and White.
Oh, Denim and White. Denim and
Especially
White.
blue and white, but it doesn't sound good for blue.
Go Denim and White. Like represent the
See in the shades. So
the shades. I feel it, dog. Like funa ukuthi ini inspiration ukuthi uqale lo mkhakha lo because it's not easy phela ukuthi
for my event. It was actually, the first one was actually like a celebration to thank people who say, ngiyabonga for the support and everything. Now kita bayenzile yabo, buying the clothes and stuff. Nginaso ngisho isitolo, but they for uthi umuntu ekuye sports or studio or they fix eza kuwena efake imali yakhe kuwena 8 dog. That means a lot, bro. That's deep. So that's why I was like, okay, let me just create something. Ngibonge. First time I said, ngivumela abantu abazobe begqoka iJump With The Boys kuphela. And then I realized someone out there, iJump uyafuna uyigqoka but mhlawumbe akakwazi ukuthenga. And kodwa futhi manje uzokwazi ukuthenga ithikithi lokuyophuza. I was like, as in, you cannot ungabacwasa abantu. Just let them in bebona ukuthi why abantu bethanda iJump With The Boys. But hayi wonke umuntu uvumelekile. Boom.
Manje like
that was a success to the point where but
awenzenye is in a short space of like time.
But I wanted to be so different. Ngakhetha dates engazi ukuthi no one has ever touched Leon. It was 23 December. Nobody cared to get 23 December.
Very okay. And then it decided to do it.
Yeah. As about to push it, you say, dog, this is you, dog. You got passion for it. You cannot ignore it, baba.
Qhubeka futhi. Yeah, kwenza kahle futhi ube nabantu abakanjalo futhi eduze kwakho yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, kuyasiza futhi like kuyasiza nje kahle. But like tell me bethu nge concept ultimate shutdown. What going on ukuthi waqhamuka kanjani naleyo mpahla kanjalo because in a way it's attractive to someone who's like okay interested to going on an event ultimate shutdown.
The Ultimate X shutdown is an X, so it means
X.
So this is how it started. I had an idea. I'm tired now. Who Costa, in my lounge, BNPs and stuff. People are say baningi banje bafika away event. I need to get space because my BNPs kuna ma rooms. Obviously people who gonna book rooms. Abanye bazoyenza izinto engekho right. Le nto izolimaza igama. At the same time, I don't support or tolerate indaba yokufakana. I support like. And 2, indawo engiyibhukhayo. I don't know mhlawumbe mina one drama or in, but I believe if uwazi ukuthi indawo yakho izoba full for that night, what you do is unyusa ama-prize just in case kunama damages or unyusa staff to uvala ama-damages to control. But into abayenzayo, they come back to me bethi room number bani ulimele ushiwe kanjalo. First of all, ngithe ngifika kubona ngicela indawo kuphela. I'm not involved.
Marumini.
Umuntu bebooka iroom uzoyibooka kumina. But egcineni babuya kumina.
Sekulimala wena.
Ngizibuza kanjani because imali yonke ize kuwena ema-room. I didn't take any rooms. Those are your people. If you see ukuthi into yakhe fully packed, bro, qasha abantu dog.
Yeah.
Or have boundaries dog. Angihlangene naloko mina. So kodwa vele ke i-vision yami igcineni to fill up Moses Mapita.
Moses Mapita?
Hey,
you can do that.
I can because ngaqala ngeground ngingena artist I was like I'm going to do it.
La lingana ne grand capacity babangana labantu.
Impahla inkulu ngisho kuyibiyela costed me a lot bro yo. Costed me a lot. But and ama-ticket sales ayisase ayengakabi kangawo kodwa nje ngaqinga isibindi. And then I did it dog. So I'm just like
namanje ngathi awukholwa nje uyicabanga lento le.
i-night ebethu mo hostile kuwena i-organizer awuyiboni. You don't see it. Iyaphela nje.
Ungabonanga lutho.
Enjoyanga ngabonanga lutho.
Ngobani manje because manje wena nje uyenze yonke lento le yaba successful.
You sit down uqhamuka umuntu unenkinga ethile you gotta go fix it. Wenza lokho kumele ulungise lokho. Here udingeka lapha. Never gonna enjoy it. Never.
So when ubona ngeyithombe nje fuck lama moment akanje. Because ngokubona busy Qolas last year.
Ngaba ne guest efihliwe and it was Blue Puppy. So kwakumele efike because the poster ngikhipha same day. And then wangafika he came back apologize and then ngamtshela ukuthi ngizala nge-21 December so I'm going to be celebrating my birthday. I can just ungafika khona ngoba this thing ukuthi ngithi kwena buyisa imali back is not okay.
Imali nomqasho. I don't know.
No, i-price. I-price yakhe ukuthi utheni kumina and how we spoke should stay business.
Oh yeah, phela. Bekithi amoya umuntu engagcina esephahluka esho no.
Nah, it should stay it's business, bro.
Professional.
Yeah, even if kunengxabano uma etsona business in, I think you should just go to the public and just say angeke senzeke into kanje. Nobody wants your side of the story.
Yeah, ukuthi manje sekwenzakaleni.
Especially when it's gonna cause isiphithiphithi. It's not okay.
Tension phela abantu phela futhi ngoba nama-fans amangaka bazohamba beyomphoka lapha belokho bemtheka mhlawumbe lesebe report ipage lakhe kulo on TikTok or
I don't believe uphucela umuntu esenkomlomeni because if that was to happen kumina I would struggle
strong
hard.
Yazi ukuthi siyabadinga abantu abacabanga ngalendlela ocabanga ngayo because manje abanye abantu ngendlela abanomona ngayo when it comes to ezinye izinto osukuzenza wena mhlawumbe futhi sukusebenzisana nawo umuntu engenza noma yini just to see you like not getting what you want actually.
I think it all depends ukuthi siwele eqaleni ama intentions akho bethini. Yeah. But I don't believe khona abantu abanomona.
You don't?
I don't.
Who gets that like but
No.
what
I don't believe it's khona abantu abanomona. I just believe people
why?
bafuna i-attention yakho.
Because phela babona ukuthi asabanakile.
Khona mfethu yabo ukuthi ubona intombazane mithi intombazane yakufona hlezi yenza sure ukuthi ikritha ngathi uyahla ngathi uslim. Because abanye abantu bakholela ukuthi ukuze umuntu ekunake kumele ukhuluma into ebhedayo kuyena because uma ukhuluma into right baningi abantu abakhuluma. This person knows ukuthi baningi abantu abancumana. I have to be different.
Oh, khona ezothola attention yakho. Oh yeah.
Some people you can just bafica ama comments bekhuluma into ebhedayo you reply you send a message it's dog ngiyaxolisa bengidlala befuna unginaka.
Oh.
Yo.
Sishide ingaka.
My brother, you serious dog?
Sungitrenile nje futhi ke kwesi. Sungitrenile nami as umuntu kodwa usuzongitshela leyo nto futhi.
You are not human. These people know you on social media, dog. But was on social media they never met you like this. You are not human.
To them.
Yeah, we robots. Because first of all, how are you doing all these things? Like I'm looking at you on social media like this. I'm like, "Aibo, don't just lingana na." But how is it doing?
Nothing to say, loco.
That's not human.
Lingana na phela lo mshito.
And whereas as a content creator, you never post isn't it better or ukuthi udlula esimene esibhedayo. So obviously, abantu banike mindset ukuthi wena umnandi. Most people bafika kumina bethi stop posting ukuthi unenkinga or ukanje why? Because I'm living my life.
Nami ngibuza ukuthi why uthanda ukuposta kanje like umchitha kanje uposta ama-posta awu-4 ngosuku consistently.
I can even like yokito I'm living impilo engifuna as a kasi gent but on a spotlight. How? Ngikhulele ugogo noma mncane noma lume badayisa inhloko. Ngikhulele ngidla inhloko oledi ngihlala elokishini oledi beyilukela abantu. I never been exposed empilweni ethebelele ukudla komnandi. Now ukuthi ngi-afford I do afford it but anginandaba nabo. Why? I don't care.
You don't care about it. No. You're not used to it futhi ngalendlela.
Awufuni uyijaza into engayijaza. Because it's gonna hurt me. Me going somewhere ngithenga into ethile ebizayo bengibona ngibona ama reactions enyuka or ama views. Now I'm pressured. Every time. Mina ngihlezi ngenza lento leyo. Proving to people you have money.
Moshimali futhi at the end of the day moshimali futhi yabo.
Yeah.
So I want to know from you, like, is it important for you to give a platform to upcoming artists that's born, like posting them and trying ubanikeze a platform with Ultimate Showdown or ama event osukuwenza?
So we pay or Mbageni as a whole, like pay as a whole. It's difficult ukuthi with something mainly because abaningi abantu abano TikTok, abaningi abantu abanenda abano Instagram, we all focusing on Facebook. Facebook is the app. So I had to make it given a little gamma through Facebook. But now ukuthi mina leke ngebindala ngaleso sikhathi ngiqhamuka yangithitha kanjani into anazazi lotho
azazi
they were not there. Internet deserve a chance. Ukuthi mina ngidlule esimene esinzima or I struggle doesn't mean I actually let the kids struggle. I have something. It's back home, bro.
Very
family is family. Yeah. Because right now I'm in Durban. Bongaziyo la.
Okay.
I can post now. Only you Mbageni and we just pay people is gonna react.
Very. Yeah.
Now those are my people. So they deserve. They deserve what's it? Bro, we've been buying your stuff. Come on. Give us something, bro.
Yeah, qinisile because manje ibona abantu abakwazi ibona futhi abantu abakusupportayo isikhathini esiningi futhi.
If I'm talented or I'm dope like that or it was meant to be, they're gonna follow me like Babani. But Richards Bay, that's home.
It's home, dog. Hey, it's home ngampela. Yazi qinisile. I never thought about it like that because manje it seems like manje bengifocus like kwinto engiyenze ekhaya lapha trying to impress abantu basekhaya abangasekhaya yabo ngathi kuba nenkinga in a way like I don't have like a fan base where I know ukuthi okay labantu laba I have a support yabo. It's for sure vele ngasekhaya ukuthi I supporting now ihlezi khona vele. So lokho wena ubucanga ngiyakusiza with your confidence as a
it's kind of like I can walk in a room in Durban, kugcwele abantu abaziwa in Durban. And then for me ukuthi ngibone ukuthi if I get in a room ngiyashine like that without umuntu ezengazi ukuthi ngenzani. La abantu mina ngiyindlela abazongithitha ngayo bengakazi ukuthi ngoba or
yeah.
If bekwenza lokho angeke ngishaya ngaphakathi because I know who I am.
Yeah.
I can just go to my phone, dial something that's gonna give me back my confidence. Those are my people.
Yeah, but the currency represents like kubalulekile as a person, yabo.
I'm not even representing. I'm not even trying to be a role model because I'm not perfect. I have so many flops. I have so many things. Everyone has his intellectual or secrets and stuff because I'm a human end of the day. But if ukhona umuntu othi mina mebuka mina umboy role model or inspiration kumele kubuke mina for me.
Yeah. Engabukeli ukuthi okay Slim lo simbona Facebook mhlambe yabo
Yeah.
fanele like ebe naleyo
That's how you stay relevant. No?
yeah
In order to stay relevant, you have to have abantu ababona ngathi they were there
when
for
you started.
when you started.
When you started. Don't you feel like ngiyathemba ukuthi usebenza nabantu abaningi. Don't you feel like abanye abantu beke bezama ukuthi okay they have a piece on what you have?
Every day, bro.
Eh
Every day it happens. Like every day.
you have to explain to them normal you just like
Explain what?
ubabuke nje ukuthi hayibo njalo nina bese yazi ukuthi ngisuka phi naleto le abazi phela bona.
I've seen them all. They came, they went, they came, they go, they come, they go, bafika, they try. The only thing that I know that's key is discipline. They don't have discipline. Then the youngsters for now, abana discipline, bro. They just they just look at impilo on social media and be like, kuphila kanje. So if you follow influencer, it's hele. We born and post my bottles, abizayo, isemaklabhini every now and then, ihamba ngemoto or yenza into ethile, like you don't see anything bad ngayo because hey bab, that person has management, people that are doing stuff.
Yeah.
Ngemuva and it's just there as a front.
As a friend.
So when you're gonna take the front now, when's the day you're gonna vanish, bro?
If it's
Discipline is key, my guy. Yeah, I just believe with discipline. I know what my people born I guess over from 0 to 100. So it's gonna be hard for them to be share.
Yeah.
Because I post your kitchen like you in for the but things of Funuenza and the because of this. Tell them straight. It's 9
inkinga obenayo kanje. So ngezwe futhi ukuthi you were short la.
Especially Eli Matsangeni.
Zayithini.
You wouldn't yokuthi kumele ukuhlezi ublame abantu. Nami somehow the people nga associate nabo. Babefika abangani nganginabo that time. Bangifica I was so focused because ngifocused endabeni ukulungisa ikhaya ngikhanda umqasho laphana. When they found me they told me, "Hey dog, you working so hard uhlezi esendlini. Go out, you've done a lot. Catch a break." Well, they made me believe I need to catch a break. In reality, I don't. I'm already ngiphambi kwabantu. So those people told me what to buy in my club and not what to buy at home. So maybe figure out about I had friends that keeps me going. And those people will always say, "Hey, we ghosted dog."
Oh yeah.
We ghosted. Now
siyazizwa ke manje.
Yeah, so it goes to a point where I was like, I'm going to share event 2023. Made a lot of money, bro.
How much your estimate?
I'm not even gonna estimate. That's confidential, but like I bought a machine. What I like was first get better or some guy or I can event time ngimenza MC wathatha ifoni yami wathi ufuna ungishutha. Mina amavideo yonke event and then wayilahla. So now vele bangiziba, they're not gonna pay me back, so it's fine. Gotta move on. So lapana first thing I went after I think ifoni came back or gine brand I need to print.
Yeah.
I'm paying a lot of money to print. Now I'm just like I think machine it was like 30K.
30K.
Bought it, and then I was on my way to opening a store. So I'm like, in Dana Fest, I need to show my people what we actually making it now.
Yeah.
I screenshot me buying those machines. Give post that for my people. That time I didn't know 70% of your followers are haters. 30% are your fan base. So when I post that, man, when I post that, like, I stick to the mood, not to the plan. When I'm sticking to the mood, I'm happy that time, and I feel like I should show people that nah. I posted. Some guys who come to the Bekashi like me tells me, "Oh, delete them," and it was too late. And I did. It was too late. So they came and it was like 6 guys, all carrying guns. I was chilling, guys. Ngoba ngangiqeda ukubuya ngangiqeda ukuyobhala izinto ekumele ngiyithenge emva kwalapho isitolo sibe sihle yabo.
When sleep. So that bike.
So it was like 6 guys. We chilling there. Qeda ukubuya esithawa. Ngihleli kanje. Bebe ngena kudlala ingoma speaker. Vele nathi asitotsa attention kudlala ingoma siyaphapha. Ngena bayadansa ngebhangi manje.
How?
I'm like, phinde ngibunga ukuthi hayi. Already avele ngayifika. Because why ngozile vele mjito. Thiwa bayiyela phansi.
Sanda ukuthenga futhi nemshini le.
Demnandi ukuthi bengayideliver. Guys come by. My flashlights bathatha izinto. They come to me top. Vula ifoni. Qale ngifake bethi angeke ku Capitec. Ngene Capitec sangikhiphe yonke leyo mali. It's mina ngekwazi ukukhipha i-limit ne-toilet card, charge and pin. So see ukuthi le phahla was inside. Bengithi ngisho ipin wrong.
How?
Ngispam, qabe ngishaya ngispam. Ayibuye ingqondo ethi nah. Ngizomasha la. Because these guys in those hotel mangempela wabona bayigqoke ngisho phaqha bangcolile wabona these guys abanandaba nebhambi iphophile. Those people will kill you. Ngifake yonke banika yonke into clean. Ngibacela into eyodwa bro. Sicela ungishaya nemali rent for the store at least sibe enze. Okay, avele phela bazokhanda ibathu. Beyifake. This one comes back into that. Futhi nje mina lento aniyangiyanyisa. Shaya. Todo wayishayela because bathe ishaya. Aza nje kushisa. I was like, hayi.
Siyashona manje mfisa.
Because vele ithi sebethatha yonke into yami. Ngishaya event vele I'm like ngizosala nani. Kade luzo manjalo amathangeni like ibullet eyodwa ngene ithangeni ngala phuma ngaya ngena ngaya phuma ngapha no bone.
Oh shuthi yangena nje ngaphezulu.
Ezaphumela kuyithazo every time lapha endlini mengihlala imbobo ngiyayibuka kanje phansi. Yangena kumina yaphumela kuyithazo. So I'm like this is a lesson. I'm not taking it as a challenge or it's mhlawumbe into engidlula kuyona enze. It was a lesson ukuthi ayokuphapha. Uphapha nje.
Phela bethe.
Mina ngiyafundisa ukuthi expensive stuff are only going to attract danger.
No poster ke ezinye.
I'm not going to stop posting bro.
Nakho nje ukufaka inkingeni futhi nakho manje
ngipostite eheha abantu.
Yeah.
Ngendlela ebhedayo. Upost event.
Oh waso wapost imali de.
Mina ngapost ukuthi kuphuma notification. Yeah imali.
Buka ke and then you tell me social media is good for someone like you who
mathiwa ngasuka ngaqeda ukushaya event ngasuka ngayo indawo ngayipost ngabe aziyenze le nto.
Well,
why do you post uphinde uhlale location? That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Yakwazi ukuthola.
So labo bantu akazibathola kuzobe manje noma
I don't have to because maphoyisa afika that time now ngathi ayesabela ayithumela labafethu angahleli nabo ethi angene bona kuqala. So I was like this is not going to go anywhere. Oh, and for the fact ukuthi ukhona ubhuti wami ebengiphusha naye brand owadijula washona naye was a robbery nawe ayephaphela ngekabi. We were just happy. We were just like boys. We were popping at the young age, like sejabule dog. So my boy liked my sneakers a lot. It was just happiness. We thought le age le akudala le uthi ngeke ngangami ibona uright ikwenza nje
siyaphela mhlambe.
So they came in, it was a robbery. They shot him, he died. The story okwaphela lapho so like vele noma ngikuyindaba imagine ngishona umuntu akunakwanga mina ke
ngizokwenza yabo awuboni nje ukuthi uyifake like to something cause manje bayabona ukuthi you making le lump sum of money bebebona nabantu bebefikile kwi event awuboni lokho ukuthi ngase creating enemies in a way.
If I have to die for this shit, I'm gonna die for this shit.
You ready?
Always. That's why I'm not gonna die ngesandla somuntu. That's why God said it's never gonna happen to me.
Ngoba sebenza into enjena nje.
Am I tripled? Hamba ngi-wheelchair.
Lutho. Fuck man. Like
I'm not scared of anything. I don't know why what it. I'm not scared. That's why I even tell you because of about 2000 event without an artist. First of all, how? I'm not scared. It's gonna happen. People feel your energy, bro.
yeah, but as a person like
If you believe in yourself, they're gonna believe in you. If people knows you are sab.
I wish I had something like that. Like nami nginalo belief engaphakathi le where I truly believe in myself, but then I don't know how to explain it, dog. Like
Iqala ngokuphupha, bro.
eh
If someone else can do it, you also can do it. No matter where you are, no matter who you are, no matter what you do. I'm from Mpangeni, dog. Mhlathuze village. There are some rich guys. There's a lot of abakhule nabazali endaweni blind, bakhule banabo abazali bakhule endaweni erazi. Mina ngikhulele ku-one room. But dog.
Can imagine, dog.
You get me? Anything is possible. Man.
Anything is possible, dog. From khulela kulo one room to doing this type of.
Because I didn't want to be in that one room forever.
Yeah.
It risky face has two sides or two results. Two results, and then ungathatha risk is one result. Taking a risk is two results. First result is you making it big. Second result is you flopping big. But not taking a risk has only one result: you not making it at all. Meaning ngiyawuthanda lo 30%. Uthathe risk. 30% uzowin, 70% uzolose. Ngiyafuna lo 30%.
Yeah, uqinisile khona because manje nje ekuseni ngithathe risk sisanda kusuka nje ekhaya manje. Ngizekhwet.
Exactly.
Abuye umuntu bese ihlalela nje engamconcern leto ukuthi fanele ayenze.
Because manje ubona ngathi yonke kuningi mfethu okukhona kumele kwenzeke.
Spitty. But so smooth bese lapha bese because manje angithrobethaza ungifaka kwiqondo yakho shit nami manje zongifaka azothi ngiphakathi. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi Steve ucabanga kanjani. So like I want to know bese ukuthi ngiyakubona umuntu othanda fashion bese nazo zonke. Qonda ukuthini ifashion kuwena bese as a person, dog?
I actually have something for you.
Fucking shit. I got you with the boys, my friend too. Yeah, that's how my friends. I'm a fashion designer.
So right now, I'm not my camera, but I want you to wear that t-shirt, ne?
Obviously.
Tell me how you feel. Smell it. Look at packaging first. I want you to start there.
The water, my face. Meant to have what? I meant to have me. Meant to have me. Exciting, but the packaging is good, my friend. So, like, my check is, my friends. Check is, jump with the boys, dog. Yeah, cool, but let me wait,
Yeah, we shy.
Let me wait. The fabric and all.
You know, I must say, tell me how you feel.
Bazongizonda ngasekhaya lapho bagcwele. Yendo slim, my friends. That's so sad, my friends. Ngiyabona njalo. I can see, jump with the boys, dog. This is my size. If it was a I like big shit. And so kumula, uba niyangazi, my friends. It's fine.
It's fine. My back has.
I keep flop, but numbness thing is fire python. Before you jump with the boys, dog. Jump with the boys. Ngiyabonga dog. It's a dream number, friends. Oh, I'm with the water song is very shy, friends. Jump with this. Yeah. Thank you, dog. How's it?
That is cool.
It's fitting.
Man, from Guazzo, how do you feel now?
I feel like I'm on top of the world. I won't lie. I won't lie, I feel like I'm on top of the world, dog. I feel like I'm Slim Andy 2.0, motherfuckers. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, Pets. Ish. Dog, yeah, Pets. I didn't expect this. Yeah, boy, Pets. Yeah, boy, this is... Pets, ngikufisela yonke into Pets. Yabo Pets, konke Pets okuhle Pets. Mina, I'm not the type of person who would hate on something good, Pets. Yabo. For you coming here nje Pets, it means a lot, dog. I won't lie Pets. Nalokho kwenza Pets, yabo. Shows ukuthi Pets, khona abantu abaphila ngaphandle ngoba eshilo ukuthi bro, like what to say now, dog. Like, didn't expect this, dog. First time seeing. Okokuqala ngimbona lo mjita lo. Okokuqala ngimbona
That's how
Pets.
mama raised me, and that's how. Shout out to DJ Mo, bro. What's DJ Mo for Shy One More Night?
Yeah, I'm oh yeah.
He taught me like taught me a few things, bro, just to carry yourself. Make sure you leave something in Romania to book on.
Saying the skipper say jump with the boys, my friends. I'm born in the second. So then went to they are hard to get for that. It's okay. Oh, I didn't expect this. It's ngiyengangena cabanga kwi-profile yakho ku-WhatsApp because you have a business account. Ngabuka nje lo ama-prices ngiyazi ukuthi vela abizi ngaleyo ndlela.
Bangisukela bafethu.
Ngeke bafethu, go and buy that shit bafethu. Uzondrophela ilink la ezotshela bafethu ithathe link yakhe bo. Go nithage bafethu ikoli lethu le yenzeka la. This is history asayazi. That's why I say uzathola nge-30.
27.
Oh, mina ngisaka nge-30 September. So
It is crazy.
the 30 thing is doing its own shit, right?
Sticking.
Yeah, bafethu.
I don't know. I don't know if we should share my comments, my.
Bathini about love. Let me read it out as a host.
Yeah.
As a host. Sanibona bafethu. When did this start? Okay. Mina ngizokubuza. Ngizonibuza le mbuzo le nibuza la bafethu yabo. Now ngiyabuza ukuthi when did you started your brand and it was easy for you because you too small to roll the ad. Ngiyabuza ukuthi when did you started the brand? Jump with the boys.
It started off as it was just a crew, man. We were like, oh, kahle. I was with the crew esikoleni. Ibine brand. They were doing izinto vessel. They were telana ngama Powerade. It was like flexing. It was culture in high school, and then when that went uthi ngathi bayahlukana bona. And then I fell in love leshandisi impahla vele because I always wanted to be different. So in primary ngangiphathela ubhaka wePuma ngedwa. It was a joke iPuma at that time.
Yeah, uba ubephethe ubhaka wePuma
in primary. So it was different then. So jump with the boys iqala ngePuma lepahla yajump. So I took abanye abafethu sagqoka iPuma phathi dona lePuma. So we're actually jumping now.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So it was just jump with the boys. I'm like, okay. But now, boys is just for it to rhyme. It's actually jump with the boost on your start. So we're actually boosting your start if you were close.
Oh, yeah. But then, the jump with the boys one is...
Yeah, it sounds good.
It sounds good, yeah.
But it's just jump with the boost on your start. It's a very long word.
Jump with the
With the boost on your start.
Okay,
First, it was jump with the boys, but now, Sukuma, get boost. We have clothes now.
Yeah. That's dope. Because what you take it perfection, like where you print this shit, like Zenzela.
The machines that I bought changed my life, bro.
Can't everything you bonito. And I know when you were here in Durban, like, if I throw out to Gion or something.
Fetch, I think it's the fabric store.
Oh yeah.
Fabric store. I don't have access to fabric, so we actually take it.
Oh, so it's hanging in Japan.
Yeah, you should buy fabric because my t-shirts are made in Africa, bro.
Yeah. Look, it's important. Na local guys, my face. Na local guys, my face. This shit is made in here in Africa, my face. I'm wearing jump with the boys.
And I branded with love. You enjoy me and I get cocked me. Just if you mood, if you that's how much I love my clothes, bro.
This is history, my face. This is history. I hope you are tuning in, my face. So, like, since you've moved to Durban, let's continue with the podcast. And since you moved to Durban, like, it would benefit. Do you think it would benefit you in a way when as a person? Vele sesiqalile manje singabuza ke ukuthi do you think it's going to help you?
Begero man, I don't have competition. It's I'm floating, man.
You're bored.
I'm very bored. I wanna fight.
You want to be in competition with someone else, like.
I wanna fight. I want labo kuthiwa they good. In a good way.
Yeah.
Not ukuthi mhlawumbe asazwana nathi, but yo, bro, let's go.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
You're ready.
I can take on anyone.
That's the mentality that you need to have as a person.
Always had it, bro. The only time I'll come number 2 is when losing is the prize.
When losing is the prize. Now I do have the mentality. When I would just sit in the corner and you like,
yeah,
I'm not aware on what is going on. But then when it comes to results, it's like a bit I put to sabato, but ibalekile leyo nto.
Ikane serious.
I hope this is obviously Pumila 28 because we're going to the ultimate showdown, my friends. I'll tell you about the ultimate showdown, when it's happening, what is going on, is it TV?
Yes. It's the ultimate X shutdown.
There's a
CBF Community Park, Richards Bay, Anthony Road. Tickets are available, bro. 100 rand for the red ones. Type 1, type 2, 150. Cooler box 70 rand. Love my people, bro. Cannot be 150 for cooler box.
Yeah, perfect. Zopuzan.
VIP 350.
Yeah, we're working, my friends. Sacani support it on the vets. Take 5, dog. Let's Sacani support our vets. It's all good, the vets. It's all good. Go to have a Coachella in this motherfucker. Something like a Coachella. I was like, come on, Coachella.
Hey, we are always thinking about fill up the dome.
Bro, that's nothing, dog. You know Coachella, how big it is.
Yeah, it's a Coachella. But for now, I'm taking fill up, dog.
Fill up.
Once I move out.
Do you know what's by even promote and be like in the spotlight is something new to other people, to many of us, man.
Yeah, it's new.
It's new in a way. It's new in a way. It's happening or even promoter when it's new in a way.
It's something new, man. If it's I'm a promoter, then I do me so it goes with personality, bro.
Yeah.
If your personality is good, they're gonna know you.
Yeah.
And it goes with personality. If your personality is okay, they're gonna know you. And abanye beze event ngenxa ye personality yakho, event yakho bengathanda. Abanye beze ngenxa ye event yakho utsinhle wena bakuthanda. So manje babhanga.
So what you want to say to your fans, to everyone who's watching right now?
I'm always saying one thing. Always will say this thing. I don't got to shit that's allowed. Because you're feeding me a lot, bro.
A lot.
Nothing without you, bro.
But says we're connected with my wife. I'm a slim.
I love it.
I
love it because now I take risks for these people, bro. I take risks for my people. I make sure I create top tier events. I make good clothing. Sometimes I take it kind of slow because I'm working alone. I don't believe with umuntu ozokwenza impahla yomuntu ngendlela engenza ngayo with love.
With love.
It's a split pizza for imali. I don't care about money, bro.
Yeah, that's the last thing that can be on your mind right now.
Good.
Yeah, Buffet, support the boy Buffet too. Tickets are available now. Nah.
Tickets you can find them at Checkers, a shop price. I'm even releasing a ama-locations, ama-poster nabantu. You can just get your tickets kalula. It's clean like that. Very.
Angibonanga udimandeni kwelist
I'm
first.
still releasing indawo nendawo.
Oh.
Ngiqale ama-institutions and then nganyuka ngebhange ngisazwa ngebay. Like that.
Nah, that's what's up, bafethu. Nzile, copy tickets, go and get your tickets, bafethu. I hope le show lezo bisiphumile by kusakute 28 bafethu. We want to fill up the place. Nothing ngenzeka siphumelele. Yabo. Sifike nathi bafethu. Support the boy bafethu. Slim end. Abantu bengakuthola ke bafethu social media bafethu.
I have Twitter, I have Instagram, I have Facebook, I have TikTok. But if ufuna ukwazi ngebusiness, lapho izinto engizenzayo, just go to Facebook, bro. Everything is there. And then on TikTok, that's just me. Umsangano wami.
That's what's up, bafethu. Saqasha izandla for Slim Andy. Oh, kakhulu mfethu, yabo. Yabonga Dokyang mfethu. Yabonga.